With so many agents and real estate companies selling homes and attracting clients each year, it can seem tough to keep up. However, when the going gets tough, the tough use hacks. What are the best real estate hacks to generate leads and grow your business in the next 6 months? The answer lies in these 5 tools shared in this video. Let's dig in. 1. Open houses. For starters, you need to have a system, and that involves open house signs. While advertising open houses can help generate some leads, it often runs up your costs as well. To counter this, you should use your best open house signs and wisely engage potential clients on social media. Here's the catch though, you need a lot of signs. To maximize their use, make sure they're on every cross street and at significant intersections. Also, don't forget the property for sale sign specific dates for the open house. Use an IDX website. With an IDX site, you have beautiful pictures, relevant maps, videos, and information about the neighborhood that can help draw leads. Once they look up options online, the search engine can direct them to your IDX site. Think you can't outrank Zillow, Trulia, or Redfin? With outdated IDXs that use subdomains or iframes, you can't. But we've seen thousands of agents use Showcase IDX and follow our SEO best practices to drive thousands of potential clients every month, and sometimes every week. Plus, organic search visitors convert 8 times better than leads from pay-per-click. From there, leads can run more detailed searches of property in their area of interest. If they find anything that catches their eye, they can save that search to come back to it. The detailed information about the neighborhood helps them visualize themselves living there, which can compel them to get in touch with you. One way to ensure your IDX is always in prime shape is to study what other successful real estate websites are doing to draw leads in. You'll pick up tricks such as combining soft and hard locks and the various types of searches to deploy for your site to serve prospects better. 3. Social media. If you're an individual or agency that runs a business, you need to be on social media. Did you know 82% of the population has a social media profile? Current and potential home buyers are included in that 82%. And if you don't have your real estate business on social media, you'll be missing a large chunk of leads. There are a lot of different ways to use social media to market your real estate business. A few easy ways to gain leads through social media include promoting open houses and events, showing off photos of new listings, video tours of your properties, or celebrating families and clients when they close on a home. With so many agents and other businesses floating around on social media, you'll want to make sure you stand out from the crowd. The best way to do this is by interacting with your clients and engaging with your following. No matter what the housing market goes through, buyers will still need a roof over their heads. As such, you'll need to put your best foot forward to grab a healthy slice of the action. To keep your sales pipeline going, identify the best real estate lead generation tools that complement your business model to ensure you keep bringing in more leads. For real estate professionals looking to sharpen their online lead generation strategy, Showcase IDX offers an exceptional real estate search and consumer engagement platform. Try our 10-day free trial today to learn how you can develop a steady stream of leads for more robust sales performance.